Presenting the iFalcon 43 inches 4K Ultra HD Smart Certified Android LED TV in the color black. With a 4K Ultra HD resolution of 3840 by 2160 pixels and 60 Hz of refresh rate, this LED TV produces stunning and highly detailed pictures and gives a lifelike viewing experience. This iFalcon TV has a slim design with 178 degrees wide viewing angle for ultimate comfort. The A+ grade panel along with UHD bright screen gives flawless picture quality. It also supports HDR10 Pro for an enhanced viewing experience. It has a maximum operating distance of 6 feet. The iFalcon 4K TV runs on Android, has built-in smart features like hands-free voice control and TCast that offer you a high level of comfort. The TV supports dual-band Wi-Fi and Bluetooth version 5.0 connectivity and has 2 HDMI ports and a USB port. It features a 24 watts output Dolby audio speakers setup for an enhanced audio experience. The TV comes with standard brand warranty. Pay online using debit or credit card and net banking. For EMI options, replacement policy and further information, visit the product detail page.